So today I'm going to teach you guys how to solve exponential equations when there is an x value in the exponent. That's why it's an exponential equation, is because the variable is in your exponent. And so here we're going to, we can't just like add, subtract, multiply, divide to get x by itself here. The only way to get x by itself is by looking at logs. Because we have this rule, log base b of m to the x power is equal to x times log base b of m. That exponent comes down in front. We can use that property here to get this exponent down in front, and we're able to solve. So how we deal with this is we take we're going to use natural log. Probably most of the videos that you find on the internet are going to be log base 10, but now that we're in pre-cal and we're using grown-up things, we are going to use natural log. And so natural log is the same thing as log, but it's base e. And so anytime we have log base e or natural log with an e in front here, that's going to cancel out. So we'll do an example of that in just a second. But we're going to use natural log. So ln, not in, ln, I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. Okay, we're keeping our equation balanced on both sides. And so what happens here is this exponent comes down in front. So I have x plus 2 times natural log of 5 equals natural log 9. Well, this is just a number. This is just a number, and this is our equation that we're trying to solve for. And so these are multiplied, and so just like always, to undo what's happening here, I can divide. So natural log of 5, natural log of 5. Okay, so this is a number, divide by a number, so just a number. And then we can come over here to our Desmos scientific calculator, and so natural log of 9, so ln of 9 divided by ln of 5. So it gives us a decimal here. I'm going to leave that decimal in the calculator. I'm not going to round anything. And so when we'll come back here, it's 1.36, so we'll say 1.3, just so that we can kind of hold our place value here. X plus 2 is equal to a number, and so x plus 2, we'll subtract 2 to solve for x, and so x is going to be equal to minus 2, and so that'll be negative 0.634, and so on today's assignment we're going to round to the thousandths place, and so 4 we look to the 7 is going to make that round up, so my answer is going to be negative 0.635. 5. And that would be my final answer. Okay, so let's do another one where we're solving with base e instead of a number base. Okay, so let's say we have e to the 3x minus 7 power is equal to 12. So here, when I take the natural log of both sides, okay, same thing, still just a number, this comes down in front. So I have 3x minus 7, but I have natural log, which is really just log base e of e, and so what you're thinking here is e to what power is equal to the letter e? Well, that's 1. And so this is really equal to 1 whenever the base is the same as what's inside. It's 1. And so this is all times 1. And so all we really care about here is natural log of 12. So natural log of 12, ln of 12 is 2.48. So I'll say 2.5 here, just to give us an idea of like, this is just a number, okay? And then we have 3x minus 7. Okay, and so then we just solve our equation. Add 7, and then we can divide by 3. And so this would be approximately 9.5. Divide by 3. And so let's go back to our calculator here. So then we add 7. And I'm going to steal that answer and divide that by 3. So I'm not rounding anything in my calculator. I'm just like leaving the answer as it is and then dividing by 3. So that's what this answer button will do for you. And so that is 3.162 when we round that. And so x is equal to 3.162.